Hello students. Today we are understanding the super addition from left to right. What does it mean? That is left to right. This is my left side and this is the right side. In normal situation, if we are doing any calculation, for example, we start from right. 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 3 is 7 and 3 plus 2 is 5. But in this we are starting from the left. For example, we have we'll start from the left side of the question. 6 plus 4 is 10. Write 10 over here. 3 plus 2 is 5. Write 5 over here. 5 plus 3 is 8. So we directly look at the question from the left side because we start reading from left side also. Like 400, 335, 623 this way. So we'll start from left hand. And this was a simple case in which we don't have any carry number. Let us understand another example in which we have a carry number. How to do this calculation? 7 plus 5 is 12. Before I write 12 over here, I have to check the next pair of digits whether they are carry numbers or non-carry numbers. The concept of carry numbers and non-carry numbers I had explained already in another video. You just check the playlist. So these 7 plus 4 will give me one carry. 7 plus 4 is 11. So these two numbers are carry numbers. Okay. So whenever we get the next pair of number as the carry number, we have to increase 1 in the answer. 7 plus 5 is 12. We have to increase 1 in the answer. It will be 13. Next we have 7 plus 4 is 11, but again, and we have to write only the ones place over here because in case of 11 we have taken care of this one already and we will focus on this one. 7 plus 4 is 11, but again every time we write the answer we check the next number and that will take a very short span of time. 6 plus 4 is 10. Again this is a carry number, so it will become 12 and we may speak 12 but we write only 2 over here and 6 plus 4 is 0. Let us take another example to understand more. Let me take a bigger number. Seven plus 4 is 11. The moment I write 11, I have to see the next number. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is a non-carry number. This is a non-carry number. In that case, 7 plus 4 is 11. We'll write simply as 11. And 5 plus 3 is 8. Again, before writing 8, I have to check whether the next number is a carry number or a non-carry number. Again, this is a carry number. So whatever is my answer, I have to increase only and only 1 always. So 5 plus 3 was 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, and see the next number. 7 plus 6 is 13. So the moment I'll write 3 over here, the ones value of the addition, I'll check the next number if it is carry or non-carry. Again I'm looking at it as this is a carry number. So my answer will be 14 and I'll write 4 over here. 8 plus 4, it will be 12. So I'll write 2 the ones place because I had already taken care of the carry numbers always. So let us do one more question with a quick way. 9 plus 7 is 16. The next is a carry number, so it will be 17. It will take a fraction of seconds to just look at the next number and increase the answer by 1. Next is 8 plus 3 is 11 and next is non-carry, so it will be 1 over here. 4 plus 3 is 7. Next is again a non-carry number. You will write 7 only. And 5 plus 4 is 9. Thank you.